This week on Anvil Overland, not only am I installing a new mounting system for my GoPros, my phones, and my tablet, but I'm also welcoming a new sponsor to the channel, which is Anvil Overland. Okay, so we got a bunch of different things here. That is a GoPro mount. Another GoPro mount. And this counter holds all the weight up. So let's just put that there like that. There, now it's not going to move. Okay, so let's hook up the first one, which will be my phone mount. Yeah, that'll just hook right up there like that. That's pretty awesome. And that's right about where I'm going to want it. So let's tighten that up now. Yep, I'm not going to hit that. Okay, so let's open up another package. And maybe we'll do a GoPro mount next. So I'm going to want that. Like so. Okay, so let's do another GoPro mount, which I think I'm going to put over on this side. So that's going to be facing me, and that's going to be facing the front of the Jeep. Okay, so I think I'll put up another phone mount. Put that in there. And there we have it. It is all set up. Just gonna clean this all up and you can have a look. So yeah, I think that actually turned out pretty awesome looking. We did wind up moving my wife's phone down a little bit because it was right in her line of vision and she wanted to be able to see the road. But other than that, I think the positioning for everything is pretty smooth and it's starting to really feel like a cockpit in here. So this first video that I'm filming once I got this mount, this is actually on my GoPro that's mounted to my Anvil Overland ball mount. I want to give a huge shout out to Larry, who owns and operates Anvil Overland. He's the new sponsor to my channel, and he did sponsor me by sending me a bar and a phone mount, which is awesome. I love it. I think it's far superior than anything out there that's on the market. I'm going to put a link below to anviloverland.com. Go there and check these guys out. There's videos all over YouTube of people putting this system in their Jeeps. Thank you for joining me for this install video and this review video. I'm going to be going overlanding in a couple of weeks. Next week, my video is going to be an update on the damages done to my Jeep from my last weekend that I was out, which if you haven't seen that, you will see a link below for that as well. But that's it so far for this week. I should be installing reinstalling the back RSI cap, and I'm not sure when I'll be getting the new worn winch, but that should be sometime in the future. But until then, guys, thanks for watching me. I do know that I'm still up there where a whole percentage of you are watching my videos that are not subscribed. So do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button so other people will see my videos in their suggestion feeds. Take care, guys. We'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.